When I think about salvias, I just think back to the red bedding plants that you might have had in displays, frankly, some years ago, because it was a really traditional red, dominant, bright plant that you would have in your bedding displays, probably back in the 1980s and 90s. But this particular collection is entirely different. So still in the same family, so it's still a salvia, or these three varieties, should I say, are still salvias, but these are winter hardy perennial salvias that produce metre tall displays like you just won't believe in your beds and borders, and will flower for around about 5 months of the year. So literally from June onwards, these will flower through July, August, September, October, even into November, every single year. Get them established, plant them mid-border in a lovely sunny spot. If you haven't got any beds or borders, you could even grow these in pots, but do bear in mind they're going to grow to around about 1 metre tall, so you may just need to, pick your spot carefully so that they've got enough space to really reach that height. And of course, because they are so tall, a bigger pot, so maybe a half wooden barrel would be the perfect size to put 3 of these in. Now, our collection comprises 3 of the very best varieties. You've got the cherry, you've got the amethyst, and then you've got hot lips, which is the red and white one. And in fact, hot lips was the original variety, and the other 2 followed along, but they are a brilliant series that go together so well. So they summer flower, they're winter hardy, they flower for 5 months of the year, flexible for beds and borders as well as pots and tubs. This is probably one of the hardest working plants that you could wish to have, and the flower power is off the scale. They flower and they flower and they flower, and just see a constant display of those beautiful half colour, half white flowers. So in the case of the cherry, it's cherry and white. In the case of the amethyst, it's amethyst and white. And then you've got the hot lips, which is the red and white. So beautifully coordinated displays across those 3 colours, and so rewarding. So they're easy to grow, they're winter hardy, great anywhere in the garden. Get them planted in a sunny spot though, and these will make your garden stand out from the crowd this summer.